Induction hardening. For detail please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe. Induction hardening. Induction hardening is a method for hardening the surfaces of components, usually in selected areas, by the short-time application of high-intensity heating followed by quenching. The heating and hardening effects are localized and the depth of hardening is controllable. Induction hardening process. Heat the metal to a high temperature using an induction coil. The induction coil produces an electromagnetic field that heats the metal quickly below its melting point, then quickly quenched in oil or water, which helps to improve its properties, then tempered to relieve any stresses that may have been induced during the hardening process. Hardening materials. 1045, 1141, 1144, 4140. Benefits of induction hardening. Increased wear resistance, increased strength and fatigue life. Deep case with tough core. Selective hardening process with no masking required. Relatively minimal distortion allows use of low-cost steels such as 1045. Limitation of induction hardening. Requires an induction coil and tooling which relates to the part's geometry. Greater likelihood of cracking compared to most heat treatment processes. Distortion with induction hardening. Material limitations with induction hardening. For detail please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe.